What is up, everyone? Today is an incredibly awesome celebratory day because Brian is coming back. He's joining me back in the van. It's only going to be for a few weeks, but I'm still super psyched. So we're going to pick him up today. But first, I want to go grocery shopping. I'm going to get a couple of his faves, make sure that when he's back in the van, he's just like fully stocked with all his favorites and everything, so he feels special when he gets home, you know? So we're gonna go do that right now. I think I'm gonna make him burgers tonight. I got him a little bit of red wine because he's a fancy man. He loves red wine. We got him some special chocolate. Feeling pretty good. So next up, I want to go get him a little bit of a personal present. I think I'm gonna go to REI, see what kind of fall gear they got in. Maybe get him a new shirt or something. Yeah, I feel like B would like that. B likes new stuff, so let's do that. So I think I got some cute stuff. Instead of just getting one thing, I've got a few different things. He's been working really long days when he's on tour, so I wanted to make sure he felt cozy and comfortable when he got back. And I got myself a couple things too, you know? It's fall. I feel like REI, man. It's like, take all my money. So B just called me and his plane landed quite a bit earlier than I was expecting, which is awesome because he's here and I feel like a little like schoolgirl or like an excited puppy because my best friend is coming home. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm just about to pick him up. I'm so stoked. Look who's back!
Hi.
Hi, babe.
Hey, babe.
Okay, we gotta hit the road. We'll see you all in a little bit, or in the morning. I don't know.
Yeah, it's good to be back.
We are at this super awesome place down in Southern California, Southern Oregon.
Southern Oregon.
Yeah, we didn't drive that far.
The southwest area of Oregon.
Basically, like after I picked B up, we just flew down here. It was a long drive, but this place is awesome. We're gonna go check it out. It's like this like healing campground area. It's on Hip Camp, whatever. We'll leave a link.
Yeah.
But I want to go do the sauna. That sounds really good before it gets really hot out.
Okay, let's do it.
Sauna time! Yeah, look at that sexy man. Baby.
Check out this sauna. It's pretty awesome.
Just wait for it to heat up.
We're gonna take a quick cold shower before we jump in this hot sauna.
spicy one in there.
Yeah, hot and spicy. This place has a tea house, all kinds of teas. Let's go check it out.
And we love them herbs.
Yeah.
This is amazing. I think we need one of these on our future property. This is heaven.
This place is so cool. They have little A-frame houses, little cabins. I mean like little, like enough for like a bed. And they have big domes. They have a gnome dome, which is super cool. Looks like something straight out of Star Wars. And tents here. You can just pull your van up anywhere. It's pretty rad. I love this place. I don't want to leave.
So, cut back to the van and we just got the news that our cat died. And I feel so terrible. He's been with his godmama and he passed peacefully to sleep, but I'm just so bummed.
Yeah, it's a very sad time right now. We just found out. Yeah. It's a sad day.
Tommy was my soul animal. I knew he was old, but I really thought he'd live forever. So bummed right now. I'm not even quite sure what to do with myself. Just want to like give space to grieve.
Well, as you can imagine, Crystal's not doing so well. Neither am I, but she's not doing well. So yeah, we're just gonna end the video here, and then share some of our favorite moments with Tom. And if any of you out there knew Tom, feel free to leave some kind words about him. And yeah, we'll see you next week.
What's going on? How much do you miss me? So much. Say hi.
Hi.